Hi, GC News. Mema Obibia Akwawa. Ahadie latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. Eluti, so we subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe to their channel. Yobe say over click the subscribe button. Now belly notification. We sa new video be upload no. When the first person I want sabeka video. I feel we are like video to give us a thumbs up. Nafi. Shema of first room be here and say Hadia latest and hot news corner de Bremo. Afriyie Bora and Sammy. Yan share a year and Sema Abeto Yeproso. Yeti years and Kumo cousin Sammy Ababutu Yeti.
One we say Ghana, the political architecture no or Mashi Shen say ye bet him meow Makomwa de wa. Wait, I did bet you no near Baba Mo Bibikagra. Etusha say we did na. Oh, no refi say a meow by 8 years. Yes. And no days you are Obi Sabekao. No, I said Obi Sabekao. That's a party day womb. Party day another Obi our party womb. Another one. At two party more. Okamu. But say ye bet me a mere yabamo chase. Me who say or move you can be so. Now, month when you are Jason, I'm saying, hey, what not quite fool we I cut 2 months, ye babe pamungrofobi. Ye the machine about the sequence so dadam. Monia J. S. Machine there. Yet you great have been a proposition. I know say, let me sit here today and say this. I want the IGP to investigate. Say, Ghana Police Service, if I find something different from what I'm going to say, I will surrender. Drip machines, they are rented. Hey, yes, a zoom lie on there. When? Oh, a buying Toshi, Captain, and then government of Ghana and a toy. Mayana, first thing. So I must say I buy a toy, I buy a quotadia, no procurement order. Yes. Away. I want to see one. I see. What you imagine I say I be so drip machines, you know. It's not true. And the government of Ghana a toy. I buy the rent it. But I know in November. Make sure how much government is paying a day. A machine. You have to abandon your I don't think this would have something so. A renter. When and you're buying there. Finance Minister and chair, baby Kroko Yisika, the Koto, or Tofi company there. Now, Captain, I somewhat imagine I see Bibiso. Look. Then say round say yakojina say you kura pass ya teacher machines yama all the assemblies and the ho no look me say last week ana me wie voter region ni 2 weeks you know na me wo oti region ni a chair machines na dedawo look obi o voter region a wose asemu a making tro machine si so edu kwan so no won twa video no fanse ne captain na wonyi fan contradict me sisi ya the whole region. A renter. Quite one more rent. I said, flow. This one ever. Who did that Professor Mills time? I'm going some of the greatest lay road building equipment to be quiet. Yeah. At the same Zoom line on when? Oh. A renter. Watch me. Papa did dinner, you know. A renter. I buy the catchers on the toy. Company buy any place you order. Wow. Ministry buy the procure. Which ministry? And the woman member procure drip equipment. No, is it Ministry of Roads, local government or local government? What's that? Your boy say? And a Jubilee House. Say. MPP. Now don't we know the bill? The catch us a high grade about 5,000 cedis a day. Manya bosso. The catch us a rent a day 5,000 from August. Equal December ending. I'm the bill the Kwaku Mahama. Oh yes. No one to. No one to. One to.
Eba mama Ebeli.
Not a Shibia.
Not mama Ebeli.
You are watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I mean,
Captain. Me say J them Crusaders, you know. J them Crusaders, you know. Ya solido. Ye gadamiama. What you say? Ye kasa man for beko Jáil. I don't know say.
Why they this?
Me say how ye garden.
Oh, him say beko Jáil.
Who ye garden?
So they are
now person ye rescue this country.
To
ye chim profoko jina court.
What happened?
Ye ji esika. No mo sa akoko dance wo mo a. Do us a favor by voting against the current government. Vote against them. Share one who matter the renew. Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. What that number 13 as your faculty sumaye. May say this government must lose.
And now number 13 no.
Lose you now won't lose you no. It should not just be a year.
Who back from?
What's that?
13 no one. Who go through 8? Now they are near home.
Don't worry. Captain, I am saying it here today. Say, abai aye babetui. Yeah, ni pa 13 level. Ye yi ba ku free mu a 12 na aka no. Obi oba wini bia me mepe. But media, when me pa ye ni say, Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng show.
Say, we one if you want.
Ye yi current government in free mu a 12 na aka no. Obi oba wini bia me hope.
Another one.
Me what say?
Someone that number 1.
Look.
Jobe you one.
Mamika se mijo. 2008, Akufo Addo got that number 1. We had the biggest rally in this country.
Yeah.
I just say record no crowd. Me just say Obia breaky. Casual rally. So
casual, yeah.
The biggest.
When
that you feel say yeah. What happened? Agbena so about 20 yes.
Oh, maybe Mananado 2008. First round.
Yes.
Second round.
Yes.
Me Mananado 2012. Me 2016. Me Mananado 2020.
Na
me fair baby ametoko. Na 2024 me Mahama.
Me dasi. Masalu too.
Me come baby ameto mabako. Me say CNN.
Yes, I'm journalist. No,
me.
Na me visa be kaza me to malanje bati.
Me to you. Me behave to say CNN reporter. Me CNN am the adwuma. Becky Anderson bet me when you catch you say I'm going for Kamala. Me Metro Mahama.
That's all.
Me so metwa malanje man.
Me general pa wo munyi madi.
Metwa
Mahama.
Na mama be
metwa ko. Me mfa ho so be wona no belusu. O na metwa babako.
Ana me say me metwa malanje man.
2028 metwa mama ho.
No you see now yes before say honorable baba no. What dey me fa yi kam. Ene ya started Greater Accra to. Myself Boniface na no need to.
Na Boniface so no
share.
Boniface
no who dey.
Any MP former MP. Former minister. The first minister for Zongo ministry. Na what do I supposed to see obi awogromo o. Na do take
what system na say.
2017 kwara no ho twitwirim.
Na no ye Zongo minister.
Ena minister of state in the office of the vice president.
No ye Zongo minister. Na o she share nnuama de gina kama.
Enti we jai MPP.
Sika beba ma ne dia implement nnuama.
Na change.
Ade ye ni free ho. Wani ye yi ni free ho no. That time no ne Bawumia was small rift me. I'm say they disagree on something. And you know ne kama. Ye uniform say you wedi. Ye you wedi an omega say
MPP.
Yes
grand chairman.
Yes yo minister of state at the office of the vice president. Obi an ne tiado maso.
You know call officer MPP. When they have problem with their branch chairman.
Papa Nancy, when see to bring her from that day no mo choose at letter no. When see hope you.
It's not a party that can
see and so eti Boniface ye ko anope ya omodika no ye pa meto mo ye wo Medina constituency. Ye free ho no mo e be kwa Ashama. Ye free Ashama na said ye campaign no ye ngada nkrofo ye move. That's why we are saying it's a caravan tour. You move from point to point, engage the people. Na nyame ya domo a ochina ye beye domi Kwabena na ya ye amasaman. they are breaking. They are quite the biggest walk ever. Ever baso in Kumasi. A Fafrato victory walk. I best started from Culture Center. Kumasi. They are their faculty, they are no more Kwaku Pio Kumasi, more honum. Nafi, ya address a crowd. No. Eti, or more Moshe, a Ashanti region. Boahu, Saturday no papa, 6 o'clock now, Culture Center honum. Na Bibia, Entimi, Enkoye. Na idea, Yenum. Captain, may repeat this as same way. Ashanti region, ye 12 Banivia, a bit mabroso, but maybe projections. For Alan Kyeremanteng in Ashanti region is between 35 to 40%.
Wow.
What's that?
Munya.
What's that?
Munya.
What is your 2 better now?
Me no better.
Me na make actually Akufo Addo say 2060 12 Banivia. Now beating your Mahamadu less than 1 million votes ever investigating. Watch me. And what come was it 8? It's every program and business are now winning. Also, this one winning. But the margin now, too much. Adam say wait and see. Because minimum near sure.
It's
minimum near Mati. Nake, Nancy, Ala Ashanti region. What in the more? What does Ashanti region? Ogi 21 days or so, 21 days in Ashanti region. Because of the way I war, you know. Say, I say, oh, your constituency, you need a Bawumia ko, and you bet my 6-7 constituencies. But, or call one after the other. I just say, oh, making sure, say, or reaching up to the people. So, what shall I say, way? I call,
30% also.
Me say, make 30% do. Me say 35 to 40%.
Alan. There be Munya.
Make Menka say a 12 Banivia general elections.
Okay, Ashanti region.
Me say Ashanti region between 35 and 40. Hey, but Mr. Mo record on to home, mammy.
Ashanti region. Alan is most likely to have between 5%. 5%.
And that's an okay. We are the body. Hey, check Mami Gabby Binjo. Mami Gabby Binjo. What did you? What did you? Nabotre. No, you're not going to 45%. Obia the video. Captain.
Yes.
Abana Kotuno, Obia the video.
Okay.
Obia the video. Check. Then we are call Menshia. Ekosre otu for her inshra and Sawura Ashanti region. So who profound statement are otu for ye. Me na wo kopa de Abremia. Adana minshra wo. What make his statement? Look at the statement from the chiefs of Ashanti region. Check it. What say me Emrevia na me ka say politics na you mu no. Me de ma share da sua nua be practically. When the change is coming, you see it. Who say Nkrofo any abre Nkrofo pretend you know. Nkrofo ye genuine you know. Any ade. So once this on your man who ni obeye. Captain. Enra. And then 3 days anymore. Me call Kumasi. Now yes free fight. In fact, I was the last person to enter. Now just say everybody seated. Obi ana maye badimu straight. Unfortunately, me frighten you change me by animu. I had the last seat and I'm a quarter. Me see ya me before Basel. Everybody in the bus try to shake hand with me.
But
your more catcher
enough reason.
No catcher say no. People are afraid of intimidation. I brought you be change 1 CDB. I did see a Jáil for 20.
Life would have intimidation. Fear for their life.
And they said it. Said now, oh, what ma is car Argentina, one more my mamma, how are you? Messi Frigo, Obia the Alan Camp, our friends up a Panamana Fabium. What's wrong? What's wrong? It's because of intimidation. Now, maybe what did you pass? Sapapano on the 7th. Okoko do ballot boot to Duma. Obeto Abamalan. Wait. Sa intimidation now, personal. Yeah. MPP will be the most miserable party in this country going forward. So, I'm opposition our own. papa bia na oboaye in opposition and this time oye ko adwuma papa de tibines me say I am saying it without fear of favor Kwabena Agyapong be general secretary Kwabena Agyapong ko kuma o tibi manu 200,000 to do party work.
You are watching Juicy
Me
News on
na man fia me do na o baba be do kuma say o brown office me kwa 10,000 fa to fuel any ade in opposition MPP opposition wo bomodi nyadwuma in the under NDC agency that sponsor MPP was sponsor 7 constituencies in Western region ya winning mu 6
wow
MPP ba power kati me do support ya na me ya emotional wo pachi na dwuma ni na fi ni sam we bibini could you believe say could you believe say me kodi di baby me pie ye na be share papa no wasi hope say one man 50 series and to fufu e bia me ndidi
sani kan
me kawo na say hey me traka mu me suya kokodru fie
Trimodin
papa we slap me 50 Ghana
Trimodin
papa we
ya dwene mu wo
sika mo se sadi ma party no na dwuma na wo ye no politician aje wasi wo mani nya
anya the same thing omde ye Labianca omde $7 million as far me kan Gabby otchere da kunim omde BMW blue black ene koye sesa sika gu boot omde sisi mu no omde koye omu wie ye no sanka omu gu ma me business
we
ena okodo bofo bisa omu nyawe so come go Labianca we almost say okra containers 30 bar or yeah 10 duty now kwaje $7 million no aye campaign 2016 no na officer den na oye no dinye scan na kwaje ye
we
officer den no ya so kwaje scan
kati and make us say some opposition now say to get someone to give no political money amwenye aya 4 years time asam
oh answer
sure
oh men are make a job 4 years
oh
God no more to ninji
answer
so that business person say the one city ever be support no mo an kasa be
oh me mo de
no mo for mo wadi
say Mahama woni election we kukuro na se oye nhwa ha meka bibia ka machi me huda kan fan so adaka e chefom na se Mahama entimi anje isligo cantonment ene aban asase laboni nsase ene sika o mawia ene covid-19 sika se Mahama ntimi anya investigation they can be say Mahama he will run away from Ghana Mama so a president
who force him whoever becomes the president who force the person to get our monies for us
captain
and when MPP for Owusu say o man get careful no mo lose election na e dia ye won
no mo lose so
some of them are also thinking that business as usual
no
obi aba onye hwe me ka bibia say nka Mahama
etina ma statistics ka koma Mahama say the sponsor campaign
sa hwan mu sa sika funu
o say
ye pesa sika funu
oba ombeje won fanye campaign na ye tu omo
sika funu e
oh ya beje ye beje leader of government business na fi okwa minority na minority for be majority then Dr. Atto Abeye automatic
if you have
leader of government business
if you have
in this country
better leadership if you have better leadership that can manage this economy
of MPP constitution ebiana morefi matwemo adwena nsiso munkokan wasi di party ya automatically 2000 second deputy speaker honorable Esiama omukoko born wagadre emanu lusu primaries and also oko independent
ntamtam no mu yi ni fika
o fale ya na later group parliament ya pamuno ana ye pamuno free parliament ya that time no no more overwhelming majority in parliament.
I was there.
Eti no move am. So on there no.
So 2020 na Owusu. Oh, Kafra.
Yes.
And because they know say some of we omo MPPs in minority in parliament. Eti omo ye say omo wey constitution. Hey, me say my job was a mama buntia. How can you do that? Now afenyo market agina ho say or no Supreme Court. Akwaku inject speaker on this. No the America Akwaku. Look, it's bogus.
But say ya me no ka say ni there. Magistrate court wo Ghana. Etimi stop it obisa won't be contested as independent parliamentary candidate. Really? Gyamfi no tonche. Sama ameno ye friend no Worsén or Central Region. Why minister ewo women, gender and social protection da. Mame, beef up your security. Me manui esro sediete. Madam, minimu wunim me. Beef security. Obi a won sheda nginin di pa e mane mba we na circle. If you say ya me no ka say. Echo the agenda against you no enye papa. Ade on person mo ye Duncan Williams the same thing on person mo dey yo. Me meka o. Enti eno hwe ho so yie. Cause say ade no wa atoko do. Ayeden. Na abo bia so bewu a opere. Abo bia bewu asase so a opere. Enti ante Worsén hwe ho so yie. Ibiem na wo contest a omunim say omogoro ho pe wanti amfemu a wo bedwom mo bi foforo ate afa ho omunim nenu ti mesrew hwe wo ho so yie afei den pa na MPP suro ntia wo ko Supreme Court se mo bia invoke wo ankasa o standing orders. When you're a member of parliament ewo NDC now with Jáil say obeko independent, your seat must be declared vacant.
Exactly.
That's the law. Afenyo Makins, you are a lawyer. And he say ya me no ka say. Honorable Kwaku Annan, or NDC member of parliament. Ewo Amenfi East. Or say or independent, that seat must be declared vacant. Worsén or independent, so that seat must be declared vacant. MPP miensa and almost say party no, I say Tomoko independent. I'm on party to be. Say someone declare seat in a vacant. Yeah, train. And then this is so the back. Until 4 seats our parliament, it must be declared vacant. And when I say no ko kuromu no beba no. The man that mafias are now looking for, after they found me and they couldn't do anything to me, they are looking for you.
Low battery. Low battery.
They are looking for him.
Once and make it a MPP constitution. Before we start, we share Article 39. Muntieni yo. Na yakasa MPP enyatum omunye party esa amanfojo edwane omonti ase MPP me apiti hey me say oh me sympathize with Asante Bediatuo Bawumia Campaign call independent. Me sympathizing with him no. Ya pabum every party no. Near Constitution Article 39 of MPP National Constitution. Enikitami. Yeah, enikitami. Now, what say? Had in here for future of membership. A member of the party who stands as an independent candidate against the officially elected member of the party, or who joins or declares his or her support for another political party or for an independent candidate when the party has sponsored a candidate in the general or by-elections automatically forfeit his or her membership of the party. Automatically. Captain, Assembly are a serious issue. They say MPP for more selective justice na moyeno Nyankopon betua mo kabruta. Look, Nema declare support say me support obi a woko independent. Ani ayi ya trolete apamu me every party no. Now, obi no ko independent amakwa support no. Me say me party no, but I sympathize with this person. Ya pamu me. Now, obi a sorry. That time no more parliament no not party and sponsor candidate.
Mamanya correction way. Pachaka war Amenfi Central and Amenfi East.
Yeah.
Madam say, me say Akufo sending me messages. Thanks so much for the correction. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Good. That party and sponsor candidate here. But constitution is say when the party sponsor a candidate, now we quote yana, we forfeit membership. Now, today, Nipa no go support candidate be a woko independent.
No kasa.
Or no ankasa stand say independent. Or no ankasa stand independent do. Ya guys MPP General Secretary or Grum Hanas what to buy.
Where?
MPP General Secretary.
MPP General Secretary.
Hey, nake for no Grum ha.
MPP
neck. Make you more advances so. Article 39 of MPP Constitution. Ebiana Murefi. Make you more advances so. Munko kai. Was it the party automatically? Share 2000. A second deputy speaker. Honorable Siama. Wamuko born wagadre. Emma the Lusu primaries. And also wako independent.
Ntamtam no mu yi ni fika.
O fale ya na later do parliament. Ya pamuno. Ana ye pamuno free parliament ya. That time no more overwhelming majority in parliament.
I was there.
Eti no mo fa. So dey tie no.
So 2020 na olusu yi. Oh, Kafra.
Ene because they know say some of we drop MPPs in minority in parliament. It was my say way constitution. Hey, me say my job was a mama buntia. How can you do that? Now I feel no matter was say or no court or Supreme Court. Akwa in charge speaker on this. No the America fale. Look, it's bogus. And right now I was my proceedings in NWA. I was expecting the minority leader to get MPP constitution and put this provision.
They began the constitution that cry womb.
Get the constitution womb, but say no more. Yes, sir. Obi extra by. That says no. Obi am petition speaker here. Eti na kese okotu sa article we. Oh yeah, enya tro na be traba no. Mu constitution is automatically nipa nya party ni biem. Eti mo join there.
You see,
someone modern bagwazi selective justice na moye no. Modern bagwazi. Leader of government business. Na fi okwa minority. Na minority for be majority. Then Dr. Atto Abeye automatic
if you have
leader of government business
if you have
in this country.
Better leadership, if you have better leadership that can manage this economy.
Yo, it's for winning and someone about better yepuno so Meka was a video so and now no so when you subscribe ya Bomodi asa be subscribe to the channel. This answer hadie latest and hot news in kwa enamede Bremo Afriyie no wa like video no na fe share ma ofofro so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo enkoso ewo dara memoaro. Oso betimi achire wadwen afa eye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mo beti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.